Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I wish you guys a happy Xmas holiday season, and I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday. So my advice, use this season to learn and fortify yourself and come back into the new year well prepared. Yeah. So like always, let's go ahead and keep this simple as we do it, making our top-down analysis. So, and if by the end of this video you find value, do well to smash the subscription button, like, and also share the video to support the channel. So let's dive into it straight, keeping things simple. So here we are on Euro USD chart to do our top-down analysis as always. So starting from the monthly, all we can see here is that the market is momentumly bullish in the monthly time frame. Looking at the monthly candle, they are strongly bullish. So looking at it in the weekly time frame, so this is what we have. The price is pushing up from this level, and if you look here, previous week closed bullish, sweeping the high of uh, this candle, and bearish, sorry, the closed bearish, sweeping the high of the other candle, the bullish candle. So this week now we have taken the high of the candle. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting, since we are reacting at this resistance level here, so the market might pull back down to fill this imbalance that's sitting here. Let me zoom out. So the market might pull back into this imbalance to fill this imbalance before continuation to the upside. So with that being said, let's go down to daily time frame. So here we are on the daily time frame. If you look, we just took out the high of the previous week here. So since we have taken out this high, what do we have? And here is an imbalance on the daily time frame. But remember, since we made this change of character here on the daily time frame, this change of character, price have not returned, price have not taken out any internal low. So since this is a POY now, which is this imbalance level, price might feel this level and continue up. But looking at it in more deeper way, for me, I might expect to see price come back to this level to take out this low, mitigate this other flow, mitigate this other flow that is sitting here, and continue to the upside. So with this now, let's go down to H4. So in H4 time frame, here is where the picture looks more cool. So let's remove this. Already, you know my analysis here on daily. We had a change of character, and I'm expecting that the market should take out this low, tap on this level on the daily time frame, and taking out this internal low, mitigate this unmitigated demand zone before continuation. So right now, let's go down to H4 to see what we have. Let's remove this. So here in H4, what do we have? We have the market making higher highs to the upside, On my last top down analysis video, I marked this level that is sitting here, and also I marked this level as inducement, and I highlighted this POI that we should be looking for buy at this level. But the market did another different thing, which is going up. Market went up, created another inducement at this level, which looks something like this. And taking out the inducement here now becomes my POI. So at this point, I have two POI, the decisional POI and the extreme POI. So in this case, that is why I always say, always wait for confirmation in every POI I highlighted, because every demand zone, every POI works, but always use extra confirmation. So this is what it looks like. Price took out this inducement at first attempt, reacted at this decisional POI, giving me a confirmation for my entry. So when this happened, I decided to trade a buy at this level. I traded buy at this level, a 15-minute confirmation, and hit partial profit at this level. So this is where we hit our partial profit, and the market come back down and swept this recent uh, level that has been created. Do something like this. So price swept this low here after we hit our profit, partial profit, just a week below the low. So after that, the market continued to the upside. Opening this week, I think on Monday I saw a price action at this level, but where I meet the market is already like moving. So jumping in at that level will be like my stop loss will be very large. So I decided not to take the trade. But yesterday we traded at this level, and waking up this morning we hit our TP. So right now, what am I expecting here on H4? If you look here, you see that this is a sweep of a high, and this is now my inducement. And remember that this low now is not a strong low because it didn't close above. For me, it's not a strong low. But what I'm going to be doing is, since I have this inducement here, I will expect something like this. I will expect something like this. Taking out this weak low that is sitting here, price mitigate this POI with proper imbalance. I'll be looking for buy confirmation. Before I trade here, I would like to see a buy confirmation. But if this level failed, I am still interested in this level, because this level is also that daily level. So if you look now, this place looks more good for me to be trading buy from. So that's my plan currently now. So look at it again in H4. Looking at it again in H4, inducement taken out, POI to be mitigated. So when this is being mitigated, I'm going to be looking for my confirmation before doing anything at this level. So that is all I have on the H4 time frame. Looking at this now, I'm having a sweep of this high. So I don't know, maybe the market might later close, but for now, it's just a sweep. So meaning that this low is not a strong low. This low might fail. And this is also the inducement in daily time frame. So there's probability that the market might hold here or fail to hold. And if this failed, then our next zone to be looking out for is this level here. So that is it. And how I traded here, I'm going to be making a separate video on how I traded at this level. For the sake of this video, let's keep things simple and straightforward. This is just a thought and analysis video, not an entry video. So that is all for the H4 time frame. Taking out this inducement, mitigate this POY by sitting here. Then I'll be looking for entry confirmation, like change in trend to the upside. But if this level fail, my next level will be this level. So let's look at the H1. So here on the H1 time frame, what do we have? On the H1, we have similar stuff. Yeah, this is still the main inducement here to be taken out. So here on the H1, price broke above this high. Price broke above, close above this high. So since we close above this high, price take out this inducement that is sitting here, internal low, internal low. So this internal low being taken out at this level, the market tried to go up but failed. So what should I be expecting now? You might expect to see the market pull back to the downside to take out this level. So this is just like decisional POY failing at this level. So since this is happening here, it's still a sign that the market might have a deeper pullback to the downside. And marking what we have here, this level become our extreme POY. So that is it for the H1 time frame. If I should see a good setup here at the H1, it might still be, I will still be buying, just like I analyze in the H4 time frame. So also looking at it the other way, I think this is a trend line liquidity building here. So this is a trend line liquidity. Yeah, trade touch at this trend line. So price might come back down to sweep this trend line and continue to the upside. So this place is still high probability, just like I said in H4. I'm still looking here for buy, but if this level should fail, then I'll be looking for the daily zone to hold. So that is it. Yeah. So that is all for the Euro USD right now. In the 15-minute time frame, we don't have much clean price action here. Since we've taken out the external structure in H4, I'm expecting to see a deeper pullback here in the higher time frame before I will start looking for my buys. So that is all for the Euro USD chart. So right now let's look at the gold to see what we have. So here we are on the gold chart. Let's start from the monthly. Monthly strongly bullish to the upside. Strongly bullish to the upside. This stuff here. Excuse me, guys. These things is always this to me. Gosh. So that is it. So here we are on the monthly time frame. We are strongly bullish in the monthly time frame. So again, here on the weekly, we took out the previous the old high. So still looking at the momentum candle to the upside. Let's go down to the daily to see what we have. On the daily time frame, this is what we have. We have a break of structure at this level, continuation to the upside. So after this break of structure, this is what I have. I have this level of inducement to be taken out. If the market should come back there, and this POI to be mitigated at the extreme level. So that is it for the daily. And let's look at the H4 to see what we have. Break of structure, inducement, and POI. So right now in the H4, what do I have? Similar stuff. So here in H4, I had a break of structure. At this level, we have a break of structure. So price have created an internal low at this level, which stand as my inducement. So when this level is being taken out, don't forget this small candle that is sitting here, that the market might just tap on this small candle and continue to the upside. And the main level to look out for is this POI that is sitting here. So that is it for the H4. And if this level should fail, the next level I'm going to be looking for should be this level. This have not been mitigated. I've expected price to come back to it all this while, but price have failed to return there. So this will now be my decisional POI, and this will be my extreme POI. So why am I analyzing this way? Because I have this break of structure here. So after a break of structure, always wait for a confirmation, like wait for liquidity to be taken out before any entry. So for me now, this low now seems as my liquidity, which is my inducement. So when this is being taken out, at first attempt, price might react, giving us confirmation here to buy. So, but if that didn't happen, the main level to look out for should be this order flow that is sitting here, where price consolidated before leaving. And this is the reason why I started using my MT5. You might be wondering, why did I start using my MT5? So I noticed that due to I missed a good setup here, which is this move that caused this break of structure because of multiple chart, looking at multiple different charts. So that's why I decided to stick with my MT5 app. So I missed a good setup here, which I'm going to be breaking down in my next video. But for this video, let's keep it simple, as I've said, focusing on the top down analysis. So for now, I'm expecting to see the market take out this low, mitigate this level, or at first attempt giving me any aggressive confirmation at this level. I will still be trading with extra confirmation. But if decisional should fail, keep things simple. If this decisional should fail I have this extreme order flow to be traded from. So that is all I have on the gold of H4. So let's look at it in the H1. So here in H1, still looking similar. Price have not taken out any internal low since we broke this structure at this level. So after this break of structure, I have this price have now taken out internal low at this level, which looks something like this. If you look, this is a valid pullback, but I won't be interested in buying at this level. Besides, I'm not like more of H1 trader, but price is giving us a confirmation at this level, which might hold or which might not hold at the current price action. So because price have taken this inducement that is sitting here, which is this internal low, after we take out this high, so the green candle and the or another one that engulfed it, closing above the green one that swept the low of the bearish candle. So that is already a confirmation for me. But looking at this, I'm still seeing something below, which is more of the reason why I will not be interested here if I'm to be trading the H1. So this is an equal low sitting here. And like I said, maybe this low being taken, and this is also the H4 inducement. So maybe this level might be taken out, and immediately it's been taken out. We have this weak shadow sitting here. So when this level of liquidity is being taken out, price might react at this level, use extra confirmation before you buy. And if this level fail, wait for the H4 level before your trade, which is this box. This is our H4 level. So refinement of the H4 level, we have this order flow that is sitting here. Order flow, and below the order flow, you have an order block. Okay, this order block have been mitigated. So what I have is this order flow, and refining the order flow, we have another block which looks something like this. So these are level where I'm expecting to see the market trade back into. First, reaction at this level after inducement is being taken, and also this equal low, because when there is an equal low like this, which is liquidity, or let's say there is a trend line, price always reacts at the first POI and continue in the direction of the market. So that is why I'm marking this order for candle shadow that is here. And if this candle shadow fails, my next zone should be this H4 zone. So that is it. Going back to the H4, if the H4 zone should fail, which is if this level of inducement is being taken out and price fail this level, which is this POI that is sitting here, my next zone to be looking out for should be this daily zone, which is here, extreme zone in H4. So that is all I have in the gold. And like always, remember that two POI is what always work in the market, the decisional and the extreme. So here we are on the H4 having this decisional here and the extreme POI, just like we do have on the Euro USD before now. So here on the Euro USD, we have decisional POI here. No, on the previous analysis, sorry, we have a decisional POI here and we have extreme POI here. And looking at it, the decisional now is what held price to the upside. So the same thing is what I'm now seeing here on gold chart. and for that I'm expecting similar thing to happen. But you can only analyze, you can't like say that this is what is going to happen. You can't control. So only wait for confirmation at every level highlighted here. So decisional and the extreme. So that is all for this video. And let's say I look at the 15-minute structure at the moment. I don't have much here on 15 minutes, but I have something. So what do I have here on the 15 minutes? I have this equal load I sitting here, which I highlighted, and we have a break of structure here in 15 minutes. But since we have this equal low, expect this equal low to be taken out. And if the market reacted, also this is a shadow I highlighted in H1. The market might react at this shadow, which here now is another block. So that shadow in H1 is an other block in 15 minutes. So this is what I'm expecting. Price taking out this equal low, mitigate this other block. I'll be looking for confirmation to buy to the upside. So that's all I have currently now on the chart, what I'm looking at. Let's keep our watch and see how it plays out. No forcing it, always wait for confirmation in every level that is being highlighted here. Yeah, that's all for this video. See you guys on another one. Peace out.